It's a little alarming at the moment, the state of mental health of our children. It kind of makes you stop and think, what is it that we aren't getting right in childhood? Why have things gone backwards from the way they used to be? And one change is that kids aren't being given the freedom to get out there and play. The obvious answer is the physical benefits of movement that you can see in the big wide open spaces. Getting a good dose of vitamin D and being able to play freely. Creativity is a big one because you're not fixed in the task that you have at hand, so the kids do things from what they see. If children learn that they're coming out in this environment and it's helping them to feel positive and happy, then if they can take that into their adult lives and know that there's a tool that doesn't cost anything, that they can come outdoors and that they can get that benefit. So we're not seeing children use their long vision. That naturally happens when you're in an outdoor environment. The kids will be in the stream hunting for things or looking over where they've heard a voice a long way away. Starting simple. You don't need to go out on some massive adventure or hike. You can get a blanket and put it in the backyard. Take lunch that you're having at home and just do it outside. If you can, organise friends to meet somewhere like a nature space and let the kids have the time to come up with what they want to do.